This company realized a couple of years back that if they're not going to start using technology in their business model, their business is not going to survive into the future. So what they did, they went out, they developed their own technology platform, which they patented in 42 countries globally. As a result, because it's their own technology, it's so easy for them to layer it on top of any business's technology, integrate it into any business. And they realized over the last year that instead of just being involved in the core business of a client's security and risk management, they can be involved in every touch point of their clients' businesses. They are even ahead with regards to technology delivering to their clients' businesses with the way they produce big data analytics and predictive analytics to their clients. Some of their clients don't even know how to use it and where to use it in their businesses. So great innovation in this company and great use of technology.